for market anomaly detection. And so the goal is to have a better recall, so we want to better detect the anomaly. So the difference that I do is, instead of just like making sure that I can predict it based us on just like supervised machine learning, I do some other stuff. Like, for example, I trained the model with like three of this model, but have only done like the unsupervised and the supervised. So for example, the unsupervised, I've already tried doing the isolation forest with PCA, without PCA, and also like local outlier factor and one class SVM. But the problem is like I always get like the curious the recall score of like around 40%, which is not too good at detecting anomaly, and that's why I was thinking it might have something to do, if you can see like the graph here. So usually like the unsupervised machine learning is quite good at detecting outlier if it's like really at the outlier range. But for example, you can see like some of like the outlier here on like the data itself doesn't really show. It's still like within the range if it's just like based on like the standard deviation. So maybe that is why the unsupervised machine learning find it hard to find the outlier if there's just no um data before that can flag which one is anomaly or not. And that is why after that I'm trying to do like supervised machine learning. And also the data that I got is like significantly better. Like for example here you can see like the recall score got into like 62% even without me not doing hyperparameter tuning. And also like all the feature importance like show that fix is one of the highest like the feature that's really important. And I find like unique things based on the decision tree. It stated that month and week number doesn't really have like that strong importance. And also when I try to do like the plot the tree, we can see like one of the feature that for that they use to first split the data is this one, fix, like fix less than 1.15. And then after that you can see as well we go to the right is based on like fix as well. And then after that, in just one depth, we can see that it can give us a Gini impurity of 0, which means it can um define which one is 0 and 1 just based on the fix. And I feel like that's like one of a great insight that I can get. And also I hyperparameter tune it and got like this is like the best parameter. As you can see, like we can see like the fix again, like fix less than 1.4 definitely give us class that not anomaly. And you can see here the precision recall score. Recall is kind of like it reduced the score, but it definitely gave a precision of 1. So it's like really good at predicting which one is not anomaly. And also we try XGBoost. It's kind of give like a bad recall score. And after that we also try like random forest. It's give like around 52. And I'm not really sure what happened, but even after I hyperparameter tune it, it's still like 52. So there's might be something wrong with the code. So that's all like a new update that I have for my project. Thank you.